video I'm doing the what I got for Christmas video because I really like to watch these. Like, I like being nosy and seeing what people got for Christmas for, you know, next year. And I also really like to know where they got their gifts from. So yeah, I decided to do my own because I love everything that I got this year for Christmas. I'm in no way bragging. I just want to share what I got and let y'all know where I got it in case y'all want to check it out for yourself. So if you would like to see that, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to start with what my parents got me first because even though they're miles away, they still managed to make this Christmas really special for me and Jeffrey. And I really, really love them and appreciate everything that they do. So yeah, the first gift I have is this cute little hot cocoa bar sign. My mom actually picked this out. It's really, really cute, and she got this because I have a little coffee bar area in my kitchen, and it looks so cute next to all my cute little coffee mugs, and she knows I love hot cocoa, so yeah, I think it's really cute. Then my mom ordered me some cute little candles from Bath & Body Works, and the first candle is this Baby It's Cold Outside candle, which is like my favorite Christmas song ever, and this candle smells so good. It literally smells like cologne mixed with like a winter pine scent. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but it smells so good. I love it so much, and I love that it says Baby It's Cold Outside. It's just so cute. And the next candle says New Year's Wishes and Mistletoe Kisses, and this candle smells so good. Like, it's really sweet, and it has still that like wintry smell, but it smells really sweet. And I don't know, I just really love this scent. I think it's so pretty, and I just love the little New Year's looking logo. I just think it's really cute. The next gift is from my dad, and he got me this Raydon little canister that has a wiener dog on it, and if you know me, you know this is my dream dog. I hope to get one someday, and it's so cute. It's in like a little cute Christmas sweater with the mistletoe, and it's so cute. I love it so much. You can put tea, sugar, pretty much anything you want in these, and they're so cute. And again, this is a Raydon canister, and yeah, I love it so much. And my parents also sent me and Jeffrey some money for Christmas. Jeffrey got a Dallas Cowboys hat and a Robin Hood sword, and I got Sephora because I love makeup, like you already know. So the first gift I got myself from my parents was this really cute Benefit Boing Airbrush Concealer in number 1. On its own, it's not really the best concealer just because it's not full coverage. So I think this is the type of concealer that you would layer on top of your concealer anyway. And I found when I do this, I just tap it on top of my concealer. It really brightens my under eyes, like majorly brightens them. So I really like this, and I'm glad I picked it up. And lastly, I got this Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in spandex. It's so pretty. It's a blue eyeliner, but it also has bits of green and red and purple and silver glitter. And it's just so pretty and holographic looking, and I love it so much. I actually wore this on New Year's Eve, and it's so pretty. I love it. Okay, so now time for what Jeffrey got me for Christmas, and I'm going to start with what I got in my stocking first. First off, I got these really cute Christmas-y earrings from Walmart. They are so cute. They were only $3, and they're little light bulbs. I love them so much, and I can't wait to wear them next Christmas. They're so cute. Next, I got these pack of headbands. There were 3 headbands for $1 at the dollar store, and I really love these, and I needed some headbands to push my bangs back because they're growing out so much and they get in the way when I do my makeup, so I like to have them out of my face, and I love these. Then Jeffrey got me some Polaroid film because I was out, and I really love taking pictures with my Polaroid camera, so I'm really happy. Next, I got these cute little beads. They're actually like diamond shaped, and I don't know how well y'all can see these, but I always put these at the bottom of my vases to hold my makeup in because they help keep them upright, and they just look really cute in the vase. So yeah, I got these at the dollar store for $1. And lastly, the way to my heart is food. or candy. So Jeffrey got me some Kit Kats because these are one of my favorite chocolate ever. And he also got me some Jolly Ranchers, which I've already ate. And one of my favorite gifts this year from Jeffrey was these really cute boots. I've always wanted ankle boots, but I've never got them just because they were so expensive. And I was just like, maybe next year, and I just kept putting it off. But I saw these and they have stars on them. And I was like, I need these in my life. So Jeffrey got them for me. They're originally $40, but Jeffrey got them on sale for $32. And they are from TJ Maxx. And they're so cute, I love them. The next thing Jeffrey got me were these really cute Champion sweatpants from Shields. I've been needing some sweatpants because I live in sweatpants. Like, I go to the gym, wake up, put them on, go to sleep in them. Like, I love sweatpants. But Nova, when he was a puppy, he chewed up my favorite TCU sweatpants. So Jeffrey got me these really cute Champion brand ones. They're so cute. So cute. I love these so much. They're really soft. And they also have fleece in the middle, which is perfect if I want to go to the gym and don't want to go out in cold weather in like yoga pants. So I can just wear these and be comfy, and I really love these. Next, Jeffrey got me this really cute white pullover from Walmart, and it's literally a dupe for the ones at Victoria's Secret. They come in so many different colors, white, black, olive green, blue, maroon, and pink, I believe, and they're so soft. And there's fleece on the inside too, so they're really warm, they're really soft. The quality is really good, and I like that at the bottom of this jacket it has like a cinched waistband so that it stays snug and doesn't like ride up on your waist, because a lot of jackets sometimes will raise up. So I really like that it has this. And it's just so soft and comfy. I love it so much. Jeffrey also got me this olive green sweater from Walmart as well, and it has a lace-up detailing on the front, which is so cute. And it comes with a little hoodie, and I really like this. Like, I don't know why, but I love it. Like, I don't know. I like hoodies, so this sweater hoodie type shirt is really cute. It's really long, so I can wear it with leggings, and I love it so much and love the color. Then Jeffrey went to Target and he got me these two really cute shirts that were on sale, and they were both $7, so they ended up being $14 in total. And they're so cute and really soft. I really just wanted clothes for Christmas this year because a lot of the clothes I have are like night shirts, and I just wanted some nice clothes in case like we go out or something. So I got this for starters because I wanted a little striped shirt, and it is just a basic long sleeve shirt. It's really comfy. The material is a little thin, but I like that it's not see-through because I hate having to wear an undershirt and having sheer see-through tops. So I really like this. I think it's really cute, and I love the navy blue with the white stripes. I just think that's really cute. And then I got this really cute orange mustardy brown. I want to say it's orangey and brown, but it's the exact same type of shirt. Long sleeve and really soft material, and I just love this color. I just thought it was really unique and just looks really cute. One of my favorite gifts this year from Jeffrey was this really cute white sweater. First of all, this was $40 and Jeffrey got it on sale for $20, so I'm in love. Secondly, it's so freaking cute and it has pearls all over the sweater. I just love this so much. I think it's so cute. It's really soft, really warm, and it's really thick sweater material, so it's just really cute. And I just love it so much. Like, I don't know. I love sweaters. Like, if you buy me sweaters and food, that'll be like the best gift ever. Then my hubby got me some really cute lashes from Ardell. They're the faux mink lashes. I got the 810 and the 811s. The 810s are really wispy, and they are long and short at the same time. I don't really know how to explain that, but I'll put a close-up of it. And then I got these really cute 811 lashes, and they're the kind that flare out and are like really short but go long and are dramatic, and I think they're so cute. And my favorite gift that Jeffrey got me this year for Christmas was this little organizer over here. I don't know how well you can see it, but I love it so much. It's a 10-drawer organizer, and Jeffrey got it at Michael's for $30, which is awesome because it was originally $60. It's really, really cute. I think it ties my whole beauty room together, even though it's nowhere near finished, but it just looks so cute in here. And I love it because before I had all my makeup in the corner of my room, and it was so hard to find certain products because it was all stacked on top of each other and unorganized. But now all my makeup is organized, looks really cute, and I have so much more space now, so I really love it. Alright loves, thank you so much for watching my What I Got for Christmas video. If you liked it, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. It would seriously make my day. And comment down below what your favorite Christmas gift was this Christmas. Also, follow me on all of my social media. I have a new beauty Instagram called @everydayglam_with_Elizabeth. And here I will be posting my makeup and beauty related posts, as well as some Instagram beauty videos, and really excited for that. And yeah, you can see my makeup up close and see what products I've been using. And I'll still be using my old Instagram, but that'll be more personal and more Air Force travel related, or whatever I decide to post, really. So yeah, I really hope y'all follow, and I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank you again for watching, and I hope y'all had a really amazing Christmas. And if you don't celebrate Christmas, I hope you had a wonderful holiday anyway. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye loves!